Alright, let's try this again. I'm going to close Inventor. Alright, so you're going to log into CAD Learning first. Okay, and there's something you need to do to get going on these. There's two files that you need to download. So you go to Library and find Inventor. As I look at like how long these take, I think that we can I know it looks like crazy, but these are only like 3-4 minutes a piece. By Friday, okay, this first week, I want you guys to get all the way down to the bottom of here, and we'll start assembly introduction next week. So but before you do that, there are some of these that require a file. Like when you get down to these ones where you're navigating, it has a lesson resource. So down here at the bottom it says lesson resource, so you have to find these files and have them open. The stapler is referenced in like 4 or 5 in a row, so it'll just keep coming up. So you just leave it open as you're working on this stuff. Alright, but if you download this, it won't work. So what you have to do is go to your home page, and there's two things you need to download. So you need to download this. So you just click and download it, and then go to open when done. And then the other one that you have to download is this one for 2021, and do the same thing, open when you download. So I already have that here because it takes a really long time to download. It is a big file. And then I'm going to, that's one we don't want to delete. So I'm going to delete this. So you guys need to find a place on your computer where you can save all these files that you'll know where it is. The desktop is a great place if it's your computer. If it's a public computer, I wouldn't do this. And reminder, this will not work on Chromebooks, so do not do this on a Chromebook. Okay, so go to new folder. Okay, and I'm going to just title this Devlin CAD Learning, or whatever you want to put it in, Inventor, Cert, like however you want to title it. Put this here, and I have these windows open from that just downloaded. So actually, let me find the other one. So these are zip files, so what we're doing is extracting them. Okay, so once they're open, they're still zipped. So these files are protected, so you can't open them from here. What you're going to do is drag this into that folder that you created. So this is the skills assessment, we'll need this one, and then this is the Inventor dataset. So we'll put that in there. And you can see there's a lot of items in here, so you got to clean up some space on your hard drive before you do this. Or if this doesn't work, talk to me and we'll check out a desktop. Alright. So we just gotta wait for this to download. You can scrub ahead if you want. Stuff showing up. 95, almost done. Alright, it's done. Okay, so now if we open this up, this is a project file, and we'll get to that later, but then inside here, there's this project file, and that's how we're going to open Inventor. Okay, and I learned all this because I downloaded this PDF. So this PDF is very helpful. It shows you how to do this. So if the video doesn't work, if you're more of a reader, try this out. That can help. So that is there. Close this too. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to that folder that I just created. I'm going to close these other ones so I don't get confused. What I'm going to do is, in that folder, I'm going into the one that says CAD Learning Inventor 21 Dataset, and I'm going to open this file, Inventor 2021 Dataset. And what this is doing is it's creating a link to all those files that are in there. So there's lots of them, and it's going to create a project file or project link in this area. Now if you listen, this is important, if you open this and it doesn't work, okay, just click on the projects tab and say yes to any questions it does, and then click done and it should show up. And then when you guys log in, you need to make sure you double click on this. Like if you're working on other stuff, like I have other projects, like personal projects, you know, things that I've worked on, and if I click on here and I click open, it opens a different project. So now when I click open, it's all this stuff. So to get to the stapler, it's in this common files. So you click workspace, common files, and then you scroll all the way down to stapler, and then stapler's right here. This is probably because I'm 2019 opening 2021 files. When you open this, there's our stapler, and it will go through the different view cube stuff in there, and you can work through the projects.